This is a remake of a mini seminar that I made in December 2015 using Windows 7. And this is about how to capture a snip or a screenshot of your screen or a portion of your screen. First, you have to find the program, then you have to pin it to your taskbar. You don't have to do that, but that's what I recommend. You then need to define the area you want snipped and save the snip. And I will demonstrate that now. First, you find the program. And to do that, you go to your Start menu and scroll down. Yours is probably where mine is, in Windows Accessories. TUW, Windows Accessories, and it's down alphabetically under Snipping Tool. If you want to put that put an icon for that snipping tool in your taskbar, which I recommend, you right-click on that, and then you right-click on More, or hover over More, and you will get an option to pin it to your taskbar. Mine is already pinned, so it says unpinned from the taskbar. Well, since it is in the taskbar, let's go down and click on it. When you do, you will find the Snipping Tool window to control your snip. You click on New, but before I do that, I want to show you that there are several modes of picking where you snip. You can do a free-form snip. You can do a rectangular snip, which is what I prefer and will show you. You can do a snip of the whole window or a snip of the whole screen. Well, if you're set on a rectangular snip and you click New, you will get a rather hazy picture. And hold on. Now you will get a rather hazy picture. And you can then select a portion of what is on your screen. I'm going to choose to just select this much of the screen. You can choose whatever you want. And when you let go, you will see that you have a new window called Snipping Tool, which holds just that portion of your screen. And when you click on the Save the Snip icon here, you can then choose a name and location for that snip. I have always chosen it to be in Pictures, which is where you will initially set up, and in Snips under Pictures. There is a window in my Pictures, and I think there will be a window in yours as soon as you start this, where you can click on Snips, a folder called Snips, and within that folder you can set up yourself any kind of hierarchy of saving folders that you wish. I have chosen it to do it by year, and therefore I am now, since it is September of 2022, I will now save this particular snip, which I'm going to call Snip Demo, S-N-I-P, Demo. That will be the name of this file in the Pictures Snips 2022 folder. Oh, and I can also choose what form to save it. You can save it as a portable network graphic, a PNG file, a GIF file, a, what is that called? A simple file HTML, or the one I choose, a JPEG file. And once you have saved that, there you are. That's your file. You can email it to somebody. You can put it in a Word document. You can do anything else that you can do with a JPEG file. That is a story of how you snip. I hope it is useful to you.